towards us are your Special Operation Forces Black Daggers. We've got 3 good canopies right behind us. Since the awe-inspiring World War II victories of North Africa, Italy, and Normandy, Special Operation Paratroopers have come to rely on the parachute for covert infiltration in a battle, hostile territory well behind enemy lines. The Army Special Operations soldiers performing for you today wish to dedicate this show to our fellow brothers and sisters in harm's way, the brave men and women who fight and sacrifice on point so that we may live free today. The Black Daggers are the elite parachute demonstration team for the United States Army Special Operations Command, known as USASOC. They are comprised of members from the 1st Special Forces Command, which has 5 active and 2 National Guard Special Forces groups, and 2 Psychological Operations groups, a Civilian Affairs Brigade, and a Sustainment Brigade, the 75th Ranger Regiment. Watch as they control their direction by pulling on control cables on the left and right. And as they get ready to approach the ground, you can see the Delaware flag being proudly displayed. Let's give them a big wave and a holler as they come down. They can hear you up there. Oh, come on, Dover. I know you can get louder than that. Let's welcome them down to the ground. Watch as he pulls on both control cables at the same time. The parachute will stall out just like an aircraft. And a perfect on-target landing. Again, these are called ram air parachutes. They can actually control the direction of flight by pulling on control cables from the left or right. As they approach the ground, watch as he pulls down on both control cables at the same time. The parachute stalls out, and a perfect touchdown. If you look high and to right in front of you, you'll see 2 of our skydivers performing what we call relative canopy work. They form the biplane, where one skydiver is standing on the shoulders of the other, and it looks like 2 parachutes linked together.
Dollar slopes. Basically.
Some of our jumpers that you see in formation will come down as a column of smoke and a predetermined altitude, and of course they're looking for the target right out here in front of us. By the way, this is the first time since 2000 that the British Army Red Devils have performed a demonstration in the United States with another team. Their last demonstration in the U.S. was 2017, jumping into the Midway in California. They are the British Parachute Regiment's parachute display team. The Red Devils are regularly serving paratroopers from the 4th Battalion of the Parachute Regiment who have volunteered to serve on the display team. Watch now as both parachutes are side by side now, linked together.
Good luck.
Here they come side by side again. You can see a nice look at that now as they face right at us. You can see both canopies touching. And they'll hold that formation just as long as they can. Now, let's watch as they split apart and point straight down. And when they do this, they can really drop very quickly out of the sky if they need to. Again, side by side, here they come. And there's the split apart. Now these parachutes again have a forward airspeed of about 23 to 24 miles an hour. And they operate under the same principle as the Wright brothers' first aircraft. The Wright brothers didn't have ailerons on the aircraft. They actually turned the plane by warping the wings. And that's the same principle that these skydivers use on their chutes today. By pulling on the control cables, they actually distort the wing of the parachute from the left to right. There's our biplane coming in from the left, flying the British flag. A British Army Red Devil with over 1,500 jumps, Corporal Steve Hanley with over 500 jumps. Sergeant First Class Luke Whittington from Eagle, Idaho, representing the 75th Ranger Regiment. Special Forces Green Beret soldier representing the 10th Group with over 290 jumps from McEwen, New Jersey, Sergeant First Class Mike Moore. A National Guard Special Forces soldier from Jackson, Mississippi, and representing the 20th Group with 570 jumps, Sergeant First Class Jeremy, Germany, proudly displaying the USASOC flag. Tony Klotz, a Special Force soldier representing the 5th Group with 540 jumps from Woodstock, Georgia. Sergeant First Class Anthony Klotz, he's flying the POW MIA flag.